back to another video content of this channel, and if you are new here and you find the value of this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell below to be updated on my next video upload. In today's video, I will make a homemade pizza. We need very simple ingredients, which is a self-rising flour and a Greek yogurt. For those who's asking, what if I don't have a self-rising flour? I don't have right now a self-rising flour, but what I'm going to do is to create my own self-rising flour. Alright, how you will do that? I have here a 1 cup of all-purpose flour, and you can also use a 2 teaspoons of baking powder and a half teaspoon of salt. I will write all the ingredients below description, so check that out. We're going to mix this all in a mixing bowl. Alright, so let's put this one, and then the baking powder, and then the salt. Very simple. We'll just have to mix it all together. This is very easy for you to have a self-rising flour. I'm going to do a homemade pizza out of this self-rising flour, homemade as well.
A few moments later.
I have here a low-fat Greek yogurt. Okay. Again, you can do a lot of dough. Is actually a versatile dough. You can create other bread out from this.
Really, nigga?
What I'm going to do now is to pour this Greek yogurt into the bowl and mix it. Join me till the end because I'm going to show you how to cook a homemade pizza that you and your family can share, eat together. You have to mix it thoroughly and gently. Mix, 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 mix.
A few moments later.
As you can see, it starts to become so sticky now. We are also going to knead this using a flour. It's so nice and organized.
Really, nigga?
And this is healthy because it has a Greek yogurt.
Really, nigga?
Now, once it's already quite difficult to stir, you may start kneading it. We will do that one now. Pour all, just like this. Then let's start kneading it. Alright. This is so sticky because of the yogurt. But once you knead it well, that stickiness will go. And will lead you to a nice dough and healthy dough. Now if it's still sticky, you can always add a flour on it. So it's not difficult for you to do the kneading. Alright. This is very simple step, simple ingredients. Wow. And you can make already your own pizza. Alright.
Really, nigga?
See, it's almost okay now. Just keep on kneading. It's still sticky, by the way. Let's just keep adding a flour on it. So it's not sticky anymore. So that's how easy you can create your own self-rising flour. So once you're done, I'm okay now. Just form it as a circle.
Bruh.
And you can already cut it into pieces or according to your desired shape or grams. Usually what I'm doing is I am I'm using a weighing scale to form it or to have it as exactly as it can be. And that's it. Your pizza dough, homemade, is already done.
Wow!
You can use this one as well in the other bread as you desire, or you can form it as you like, or other one. Just please drop your comment below. What do you want us to do next time in this type of dough? Actually, I will also show you some dough making next time after this one. So we're ready. We are ready now with our homemade pizza dough. Yes. So just wait, and we are going to cook a bread out from this dough.
Bruh.
Alright, so don't leave, just stay. And for a twist, I am going to add some sugar
Really, nigga?
on it. Okay, because I want this dough, alright, to be created as a bread for my children, for my daughter. So I want them to enjoy by adding a sugar on it. Alright, just like that. I will do a tamis. For those who doesn't know tamis, this is what I want to do for my children. It comes also tamis with cheese and sugar. Anyway, you will see that one in a while after I knead this one by adding this sugar on it. I'm just going to keep it for a while, for about 10 to 15 minutes. I will just rest this one. I put some oil on it, on that one. So let's wait for that one. Now we'll create a bread, or we'll
Three hours later.
what I will do is to cut it into portion, and then I will use a weighing scale. Alright.
Really, nigga?
Bruh.
A few moments later. 3 hours later.
I'm just going to have a small circle because I will cook this one through my air fryer.
Really, nigga?
Then I'm going to add a cheese
Bruh.
on it, shredded cheese or mozzarella cheese. And then I'll keep it for a while on the side. I'll do another one. Then we will close this one. Keep this one on the top, just like that. Then we will close it on the side. That is so easy to use. That is so easy to make your own bread. So we're done on this one. Then I'm going to do a pretzel style now. You know, kids, they love pretzels. Again, using a weighing scale. We'll just roll this one.
A few moments later.
Wow!
That's it. That how simple is. How simple to create your own homemade pretzel. How to create a pretzel style? It's very easy. Like a shoe, like a horseshoe, U.
Bruh.
Then cross it. Alright, like this. Cross it like this. And cross it like this one. Bring it to cross. Then just stick this one on this side, just like that, and on the other side. And then voila! You have your own homemade pretzel.
Wow!
Right? How easy is that? And we're done. We're done. And for the final touch, I added a brown sugar on it.
Really, nigga?
So the taste will be attractive to the children. Now we're going to preheat our air fryer in 160 degrees. Let's preheat for a while. Okay, this is small size. As you can see, it's really small size. It's only 3 liters. Air fryer from Nikkei. Just be careful putting it because this is really extra hot.
Bruh.
Then 100, let's adjust it to 140 into 5 minutes. And let's check right now. Wow, look at that brownie clavani. Char. Ow, 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 it's hot, it's hot. Wow. Okay. Look at that. It's lovely. Actually, I adjust the temperature to 170 because when I checked at the first time, I think I have to add, it depends on your equipment or on your machine. So try to adjust from time to time. That's why it's very important to check while you are cooking. Okay, then I will let my daughter try it now for her breakfast. Now for the last touch, I'm going to add a butter with brown sugar on it to be more tastier.
3 hours later. A few moments later.
And we're done also with the mozzarella that I fill in. Then before anything else, let me apply a butter with a dash of sugar on it, and let's try
Wow.
to see what's inside of it.
Really, nigga?
Ow. Wow, look at that beautiful mozzarella cheese. So what happened to the mozzarella? It's already melted from inside. Alright, thank you for watching. I hope you liked this video. And if you did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up.
I got broads in Atlanta. She took the lean in the family. Credit cards and the scammers. Getting no licks in the band. Legacies.